Okay, now we are moving on to question 6. This is for reading in the counselors. So this is a second text file. So I think we need to go back to slot manager and we need to create a function or method called void generate time slots. Cool. And inside this, we need to write some code to read in one line from the text file. So yeah, it's just one line. So we're gonna have a scanner. We'll call it SC line because we only scan in one line. So a new scanner. This is called con.txt. And we can also use a delimiter. Use delimiter of a comma. I think that is what they refer to here. Cool. Oh, mistake. You go imports. Sorry, surround with try catch. There we go, and let's take this out and just have a file not found. Cool. Next, we can see that there are different. Okay, so seeing that there are different counselors, each counselor gets slotted into. Each counselor has time slots from 8 to 4, and but not 12. So we can work this out by just with a for loop. We can start at 8 because that's the time. I is less than 17 because we want to go up to 16, and I plus plus. Here we go. Yeah. Let's just format this. Where have I broken this? I left out a. I have the bracket there. I don't see what the problem is. Okay, let me just do this. I seem to. Local variable I. Oh, I have a comma. That is a problem. Cool. There we go. Amazing how much it breaks with just that. So now we have just an if statement. So we need to set up the time slots when it's not equal to 12. So when I is not equal to 12, then we need to create a new time slot. And we can use our time slot array with our time count, which gets incremented every time. Yeah, which gets incremented every time we add a new time slot, is equal to a new time slot which uses counselor's name and start hour. So counselor's name. Oh, let's actually get the counselor's name. So we need a while. Let's see line that has next. I guess we can get the counselor's name inside the function. So yep. Which will be sc line.next. And time slot is I. Cool. Should work. And what's next? So I think this is marks allocated for efficient use of loops. And having a look at these loops, we have one while loop and one for loop. So it seems as though the efficiency is good enough. Now we need to create a type method named display available time slots in the slot manager class, and will return a string containing all the available time slots. Okay, so public string because we're returning display available time slots. Going to start off with our string temp and return temp. Cool. So the time slots need to be available for us to use them. Let me just put that away. Time slots need to be available for us to use them. So cool, that can be our parameter. So if, or we need a loop, so for our t count, because those are the amount of time slots, and I plus plus. Cool, next we have array. The time slot objects should be included in the format of this toString. Cool. So that means we have, first we need an if statement. If array I dot is available. So if it is available, then we need to step into that that time slot is available. So then all we do is we return that time slot's available. So temp plus equal array I dot toString. And then after that, we need to add in a new line. Cool. Let's see. Oh, yeah, 6.3. Now we head to console.ui. I don't know why I put it here. Join the block. Yeah, I don't often use NetBeans, so this is fairly new. So next we need to have our sm dot generate. We need to generate the time slots first. Next we can output our display time slots. So display available time slots. Let's have a look if this works. No, it's crashed somewhere. It seems as though it's not in here. I think it has to do with my AC line. So let me first do this. Let me rather do this, and so debugging becomes a bit easier. Let's test that again. Chances are it's going to change. Oh, never mind, now it works. Let's just compare what we have to the output file. It seems to be correct. Cool. Awesome. So that is question 6 completed, I assume. Yeah, that's question 6. Next video we'll move on to question 7.